solving and graphing inequalities. So for this first one here, this is the less than symbol. We have 5x is less than 15. I can divide both sides by 5 to isolate the x so that we can figure out the solution. When we do that, we end up with x is less than 3 because 5 divided into 15 is 3. So what that means is all the numbers in the world less than 3 could be an answer. So 3 needs to be on our number line. I'm just going to put some other numbers around it. And since x is less than 3, but it's not going to be equal to 3, we do an open circle on 3, and then we shade the graph and the arrow to the left because all of those numbers are less than 3. For this one, we have greater than. So we want to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. That cancels. We have x is greater than 11. So that means x can be all the numbers in the world bigger or greater than 11. We put 11, put some numbers around it. X cannot be 11, it has to be greater than 11. So we put the open circle on 11 and shade to the right where all the numbers are greater. A few more examples. We're going to add 4 to both sides on this one so that that can cancel. We end up with x is less than 19. So we have to have 19. X cannot be 19. It is all the numbers in the world less than 19. So we put an open circle and shade less than. Here we're going to divide by 3. We end up with 4 is greater than x, but we want to put x first. So since 4 is greater than x, that means x is less than 4. Now we can graph. X is all the numbers less than 4. So open circle on 4, shade to the left. Here we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. We cancel. We have x is less than 41. So we have to have 41. And to save time, I'm not going to put the numbers, but we're going to have an open circle, and we're going to shade to the left because left is less. Here we need to multiply both sides by 6. So we cancel. X, this becomes 24 over 3. And when you divide 24 over 3, you get 8. So x has to be greater than 8. So I'm going to put 8 on the number line, open circle, and shade to the right. Because all the numbers to the right of 8 are greater.